Hey everyone, we're talking about liver health today, and specifically 10 amazing foods that can help cleanse your liver naturally. Isn't it amazing what Mother Nature provides us? We put our bodies through a lot, late nights, maybe one too many slices of pizza, and our livers work hard to keep everything running smoothly. So let's show our livers some love with these powerhouse foods. First up, we have garlic. This tiny bulb packs a punch when it comes to health benefits, especially for your liver. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, garlic? Really? It's just a kitchen staple, right? But trust me on this one. Garlic is like a little superhero for your liver. It's not just for warding off vampires. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, which are like little helpers that filter out toxins. These enzymes play a crucial role in detoxifying your body. Think of it like this. Your liver is like a colander, and garlic helps to unclog those tiny holes so everything flows through smoothly. Without these compounds, your liver might struggle to keep up with the detoxification process. Plus, garlic just makes everything taste better, right? Imagine your favorite dishes without that rich, aromatic flavor. It's almost unthinkable. From pasta sauces to stir-fries, there are so many delicious ways to sneak more garlic into your diet. Whether you're roasting it, sautéing it, or even eating it raw, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about garlic bread or garlic-infused olive oil. These are simple yet effective ways to incorporate more garlic into your meals. So next time you're cooking, don't skimp on the garlic. Your liver will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Remember, a healthy liver means a healthier you. Next, we have a fruit that's bursting with flavor and vitality. This fruit is not only delicious, but also packed with liver-loving nutrients. Grapefruit. This tangy treat is packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which is like a super vitamin for your liver. Vitamin C is essential for the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in detoxifying your liver. Antioxidants help to protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals, which are like little troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your cells. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help to maintain the health and functionality of your liver. Plus, grapefruit is a good source of fiber, which helps to keep things moving along in your digestive system, taking some of the workload off your liver. Fiber aids in the elimination of toxins and waste products, ensuring that your liver doesn't have to work overtime. So next time you're looking for a refreshing snack, reach for a juicy grapefruit. Not only will it satisfy your taste buds, but it will also give your liver a much-needed boost. Enjoy the zesty flavor and the health benefits that come with every bite. Let's talk about beets and carrots. These vibrant root vegetables are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for your health. These colorful root vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to liver health. They're loaded with plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, which are antioxidants that help to protect and support liver function. Flavonoids are known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can be particularly beneficial for maintaining a healthy liver. Beets, in particular, are known for their ability to help thin the bile, which is a fluid produced by the liver that helps to digest fats. This thinning action can improve bile flow, aiding in the digestion process and ensuring that your liver doesn't get overworked. And carrots, well, we all know they're good for our eyes, but they're also great for our livers. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in reducing liver inflammation and preventing liver diseases. They also help in detoxifying the liver by flushing out toxins. So, roast them, juice them, or add them to your salads. There are endless ways to enjoy these liver-loving veggies. Whether you prefer them raw, cooked, or juiced, incorporating beets and carrots into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support your liver health. Try experimenting with different recipes to find your favorite way to enjoy these versatile vegetables. Chapter 4. Green Tea. Sip your way to a healthier liver. Now, who here loves a good cup of tea? Well, if you're looking for a beverage that's both delicious and good for your liver, green tea should be your new go-to. Green tea is chock full of plant antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to have protective effects on the liver. Studies have even shown that green tea may help to reduce fat deposits in the liver and improve liver enzyme levels. So put the kettle on and sip your way to a healthier liver. Chapter 5. Leafy green vegetables, nature's liver protectors. You knew this one was coming, right? Leafy green vegetables are like the superheroes of the health world, and their liver-protecting powers are no exception. Spinach, kale, arugula, collard greens. You name it, if it's green and leafy, it's probably good for your liver. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with chlorophyll, which helps to neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides that can damage the liver. They're also a good source of fiber, which we know is important for keeping things moving along in the digestive system. Avocados, good fats for a happy liver. Let's be honest, who doesn't love avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and incredibly versatile. But did you know that avocados are also really good for your liver? It's true. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help protect the liver from damage. They also contain a compound called glutathione, which is essential for the liver to cleanse itself of harmful toxins. So go ahead and add some avocado to your toast, salads, or smoothies. Your liver will thank you. Chapter 7. Apples, an apple a day keeps the liver doctor away. Remember that old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out that apples are particularly good for your liver. Apples are a good source of pectin, a type of fiber that helps to cleanse and detoxify the digestive tract. This, in turn, helps to reduce the workload on the liver, allowing it to function more efficiently. Plus, apples are just plain delicious. So enjoy one as a snack, add them to your oatmeal, or bake them into a healthy dessert. Chapter 8. Olive oil, liquid gold for liver health. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is another healthy fat that's beneficial for liver health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which we know are good for the liver, but it also contains antioxidants like vitamin E, which help to protect the liver from damage. When choosing olive oil, be sure to opt for extra virgin olive oil, as it's the least processed and contains the highest levels of antioxidants. Chapter 9. Cruciferous vegetables boost your liver's detox power. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, oh my! These cruciferous vegetables are all excellent sources of sulfur-containing compounds, which are essential for the liver's detoxification processes. These compounds help to activate enzymes in the liver that break down and eliminate toxins from the body. So load up on these veggies, roast them, steam them, or add them to your stir-fries for a delicious and liver-loving meal. Chapter 10. Lemons and limes, citrus fruits for liver cleansing. Last but not least, we have lemons and limes. These tart and tangy citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a vital role in liver health. Vitamin C helps the liver to produce glutathione, which, as we learned earlier, is essential for detoxification. Plus, lemons and limes can help to stimulate the production of bile, which aids in digestion and fat breakdown. Add a squeeze of lemon or lime to your water, tea, or salad dressings for a refreshing and liver-boosting treat. Give your liver some love. So there you have it. 10 amazing foods that can help cleanse your liver naturally. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for overall health and well-being. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be giving your liver the love and support it needs to function at its best. For more health tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. Until next time, stay healthy and be well.